Miss Olua,
Yes.
why are you stressing me out?
Sorry, baby.
Don't be your baby. Who's your baby? Look at me.
Oh, you're not my baby. I'm sorry, brother.
Yes, much better.
Kola gave me a gift, but I'm not gonna show you all.
Which gift did I give you? Don't try it.
I'm not showing it. That's my phone.
I don't know.
You hate my phones because you don't. I'm just getting them now and I'm seeing this. Like, this stuff is so fucking heavy. Thank you so much, Komisi. God, oh, you guys are so wonderful. Thank you. I'm going to open this later. I have to quickly do something. I'm saying a very big thank you to you people. Thank you. God bless you. Like, this thing is very heavy. I can't wait to see what is inside. I can actually see what is inside already. Bless you people. Me and Kola loves you guys so much.